Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this audio video cable. I'll show you guys what it is here and why I got it. So you can see it's got the the three connectors here, and I think it's like a 3.5 millimeter or something, or is what they call it. And what did they call it? Or like an 1/8 inch, something like that. I think those are probably interchangeable. 3.5 millimeter, and it is, oh, here it is. Here it is, Premium Series by, I guess, OFC. And that's kind of the little tag for it. And so I'll show you guys it. It comes with a little Velcro strap for it, and it's 6 feet long, they say. Kinks a little bit, but I'm going to guess as I pull it, it unkinks. Yes, and it's a braided, the fabric kind of look, so it actually looks pretty good and seems like a really nice cable. And I got it for my microphone here. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. It's going to be hard to really show it too much in use, but I have one of my little DJI mics here, and to connect this, it can connect in there, and then I can connect it up into my camera, and then it will work that way. So that's what this is for. So kind of a good little one here. Could use it for lots of various things. If you have some other headphones that the wire is broken or not long enough for, you get to use it for that. So got a lot of different uses. I mean, it's an audio cable, so it's great. I like it, and nice and braided, and it seems like it's built to last. So that's one good thing about this one here. It's good, and it was longer than the other one that I had, so I can have my microphone thing away from the camera. When the camera is up high, I can have my little device here lower so I can actually see it. So thumbs up.